Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the physical serial number. This is the fastest route. First, power down, unplug, and move the console carefully. Then, flip the unit or inspect the original box. The serial is on a white sticker and often starts with letters like CF. Once found, photograph it and copy it into your Notes app for safekeeping. This prevents repeated searches later and speeds up warranty claims or support calls. Make sure your photo is legible and stored where you can access it. You can also retrieve the number digitally through the system menus, which avoids moving the console. Power on, sign in, and navigate to Settings, then System, then Console Information. Here you'll see the serial and model name. Once displayed, write it down or take a screenshot using the Create button so you have a backup. This method is helpful if the sticker is worn or inaccessible. It also shows the system's software version, which support teams may request when diagnosing issues. Finally, round out your search with alternate records because stickers can fade. Check your receipt, Sony account registration, or retailer order history. These often list the serial. If the physical sticker is damaged and system info is unavailable, contact Sony support and have proof of purchase ready. Once done, store the serial in email, a cloud note, or a photo album for future access. If you run into issues, don't panic. Support can guide you, but proof of purchase is crucial.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.